Hello students, we are going to start question number 9 of exercise 3.1. The height of girls were measured in centimeter and results were as follows. 135, these are the height of 10 girls, and 135 centimeter, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143 and 141. What is the height of tallest girl? We can see from the above data the height of the highest girl is more than all of the numbers here. So you can see from the data 151 is the highest number from the height of the 10 girls. So height of this height of this girl, this is the tallest girl in the group. Okay, so the height of the tallest girl is 151 centimeter. What is the height of shortest girl here? Shortest girl, you can see from the data, find the shortest number here. 128 is shortest number, and you know the height of the shortest girl will be always less than all the numbers. So सभी नंबर से सबसे लेस कौन सा नंबर है? 128 सेंटीमीटर. So the height of the shortest girl is 128 centimeter. In the next part, third, what is the height of what is the range of data? We have to find out the range of the data. Tallest girl range. How to find out range? Tallest girl minus shortest girl. Tallest is 151 centimeter minus shortest is 128. We have already find out in first and second part. So difference between 151 minus 128, after subtracting we get 11 minus 8 is 3 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So 23 centimeter is the range of the data. In the next fourth part, what is the mean heights of the girls? We are given the heights of 10 girls. So to find out mean, we are to sum up of all the observations, all the heights of all the girls. 10 girls are there. So after I have already added all these numbers here and divided by 10, because to find out the mean, the formula to find out the mean is sum of all observations divided by total number of observations. After adding all these numbers, I got 1414. So 1414 divided by 10, and here I can write it into decimal form, because there is 10 in denominator, so there should be one digit after the decimal point. So 0.4 and 141, and this will be always in centimeter, because the height of all the girls is always centimeter. That's why the mean value of heights of girls will be always in centimeter. Now in fourth part, how many girls have heights more than the mean height? Here I have written again the heights of 10 girls. So what was the mean height? What is the question here? How many girls have heights more than the mean height? What is the mean height? 141.4 centimeter. And we are to count the number of girls whose height is more than 141.4. This is 141.0, so we need not to count this. This will not be counted. So 1, again you can see here, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 girls. There are 5 girls whose height is more than the mean height. So this was question number 9.